Shaba bafethu soqhubeka apho ndishiye khona ngevidiyo endiyenzileyo previously malungana noRibeiro. Uba ukayibona laa video cela uhambe uyojonga. So ndizojaja apha straightforward ke ne. Ekujajeni kwam ndizoqale ndithi Ribeiro settled for less by leaving Mamelodi Sundowns for a so-called small team yaseSpain that competes in the second division yaseSpain. That team is small, you can even judge by iform yabo. Basemsileni kulaa La Liga second division, no wins yet, 20th, and Ribeiro is joining a club of that caliber. Ribeiro deserves even more better than la team leya. Yabo. Ribeiro is a competent player deserving a competent club, but unfortunately ke, a competent club is the one that he left, which is Mamelodi Sundowns. And now yena uya downgrader because Ribeiro ebeyibhubesi, he was dominant, he was winning accolades left, right and center. He was just a competent player, man. Yabo. And now I wonder, what football will that team offer him? What competent football will it offer? Because Mamelodi Sundowns offered him Champions League football, offered him Club World Cup football. Sundowns imchole yaphi imchole khona yambeka emepini uRibeiro. To a point whereby he was recognized by one of the biggest clubs in the world. Thetha ngeQatar SC, iTrabzonspor yaseTurkey, neFluminense yakwabo eBrazil. Yabo. So uRibeiro man, he made a poor decision by leaving Mamelodi Sundowns. Uphume ngeback door ke nakhona lo mntu lo, yabo. So mhlawumbe the way a-desperate ngakhona, the reason may be bigger than thina how we can imagine it, yabo. Njengoba benditshilo kwi-previous video, mhlawumbe asazi bafethu, but yena poor decision making, yabo, by leaving Mamelodi Sundowns. Usile uRibeiro, usile.